Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I will be showing you how you can create pivot table in Google Sheet. So let's get straight into it and go step by step slowly. So I will select here my whole table right here. To create pivot table, I will go to the insert and then you will see directly pivot table. Click on that. And now you can see that we can create new sheet or existing sheet. So I will go with new sheet, create, and now we have here a new list with in style of pivot table. What we can do now is basically we can add something here. So rows, columns, values, filters. So if I add, for example, type 1 here, and in columns I can give, let's say, this one, and here we'll go with that one. As you can see, we can add now uh, stuffs right here. So if I go with a little bit different options like so, and then with rows I will go with uh, let's say with HP, and with attack like so. And also I can add defense here. Now you can see that we have uh, our pivot table right over here in front of our eyes. And this is basically it, how we can create pivot table. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.